Okay, I'm back. I got my Hydroforce. Got this off of Facebook Marketplace. It's going to be my first attempt at trying to pull some dents out of this Lex pipe. And see how it goes. I don't know if I want to film this. So we got to tighten this. And then I filled the pipe with water, and then we want to make sure this is completely filled here by pumping this. We should get water coming out. We want to make sure there's no air in that pipe. So this thing works. Okay, we've got water coming out. And we put this plug on. Make sure we still get some water coming out of there. And we do. Okay. Cinch it down. Tighten it up. You can see a pretty good crease right here. Hope that comes out too. So, let's see what happens here. Start pumping. This gauge should go up. Okay, it's starting to go up. Oh, look, the pipe's moving already. I don't even have, let's see, the inside is bar, the outside. Okay, we're coming up on 100 PSI. And I see I got a crack in my pipe, so this may not work. It's leaking right here. So I even have a crack in this cheap pipe. So that's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to do some welding on this thing. Oh, cranky. All right, well, scratch this video. Pipe has a leak. All right, we'll be back with another video.